Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ahmad Ramadhani Ali Zikri. Now I will tell you tips cure coughs, especially dry coughs. At night before bed, fry egg with a little sesame oil. No need to order ingredient. Eat when hot. Eat for a few days. The effect will be seen. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.